Hello, welcome to the video. So we're looking at this. Now, I don't know how much room it has, or what kind of motherboard it has, but damn, that fan is loud. No, take a look at this fucking air vent, because it's so damn annoying. I'm right here right now, and that's because I can't block it, because we're looking at it. So why are we looking at the air vent of all things? Well, I moved here back in 2010. I noticed, since the closing thing, the closing thing is stuck. As if I close the air vent, not going to hear it in the videos. So that is a bonus extra video. We're gonna fix this fucking thing, hopefully. Then we're gonna unscrew it. So what I think happened is before we moved into the house 10 years ago, some dumbass fucking painted the air vent and got it stuck. So we're gonna try to pull it off the wall. Hopefully I stuck to it like pretty easily. Are these lizards? And then break it, that latch free or not. Maybe we can't, I don't know. Alright. Oh, the paint's pointing on the wall. There's the wall, but that paint's coming off. The damage, there's the air vent. Okay. It's nasty in there. I think it's old as hell. See if we can figure out what's wrong with it. So I see some paint right here. Stripped it off of it. Not really off of it. Pin right. Okay. Pry that off of it. Good. There. You got that? Yeah, it's stuck on the ring. I just flex it enough and it'll break loose. Yeah. It's better. Just flex it a bit. Alright. And okay. Hanging now is something behind there. Like these over. Napkins. Alright. So what I do is take a few I can see. I'm resting behind the air vent. I've been getting on it before. And then a classic auto have 34 because what do-it-yourself person doesn't borrow this that they can borrow from their dad's garage. He won't care. Get some of that. Let that soak. I'll flex it a bit more. And I'll be looking to get a better one. That was actually not too hard to fix. How you get that plate to get more leverage to bend it back and forth. Get better grip on it, and bend it back and forth and free it. It's a very simple design in there. I can plug it completely off. And you have to stop the air comes in the videos. I do that fucking thing now. Fucking thing. Alright, you guys, so I'll come back. Okay. It's been about 20 minutes since I found the last part. Oh yeah, I don't think it was because I put it in the back, but just in case. Explain what it was as well. Get on the carpet. Alright, somewhere to go. I'm gonna smell that all over the room now. Great. Yeah, with a plate, I can see that. Maybe not mess with that, here you go. But now, over that. I want to is it doesn't stay up, but I want it stuck either. Oh yeah. Work better. Alright. Head back to the gaping hole in the wall. Or we can stop the vent back in. Right. With a carpet that runs it. Okay. That is not going on. Look at like slowly bent in. There we go. Yeah, screw back in. hasn't seen it written. That I do remember. I'll try it, but I know it does. I just put that. Yeah. No, I'm probably stripped out. Not what I need there anyway. But yeah, we gotta actually get that other thing over. Yeah. Alright. That's how you fix that other problem. I think it's about harder than that, to be honest. But yes. That has been removed before. As I've been here. Cool. No, I didn't have to paint out the wall of it, but yeah, it sucks, but to fix the air vent hangs with it. Well, this has a lot of work anyway. So yeah, and the rest, one more thing that needs to be fixed now. Annoying problem for say this annoying problem I guess. Man, it's so hard to hurt it. Alright, that's been my Monday. I'll let you know how it goes. The air comes back on, of course, so after I get the air vent put back in, fucking thing. And the whole time we were putting it on and oh well. You guys did it, finish it off. Of course. I turn the camera off, air vent comes on. I can't do that the normal way. Anyhow. I mean, it ain't perfect, but it's better than nothing yet. Yeah. It's quieter, but it ain't, silent, I'm sure you can tell. So. I'll see how it does at time to edit. But yeah. But it works. Sorry. It works. Alright, hope you all enjoyed. So mini video. And nice. Thanks to you, that's not so TechSavvvvy. And yeah. Alright. That's the news. Take it easy.